All right, welcome to this video. So today the main topic will be how you can create a Google Tag Manager account. So it will be a quick tutorial and an easy one. So let's get started. So here I am on my screen. And in order to create a Google Tag Manager account, you need to have a Google account. So you probably have a Google account if you have a Gmail address. But if you don't have a Google account, you just need to go on google.com, for instance, and on the top right corner, if you're using Chrome web browser, you will be able to create a Google account using your professional email address, or it will be also asked if you want you to create a Gmail address. So when you have a Google account, it's pretty easy. You just need to go on tagmanager.google.com, and on this website you will be able to basically just create your Google Tag Manager account. So in order to create one, you'll need to click on this call to action, create account. Then here you will have two tabs. The first one is about your company, your organization. So basically you just have to fill your information here. So for instance, for me, it will be time to data. And my country, as I am French, I will select France, but just choose the country that is the most relevant to you. You can also share data anonymously with Google and third-party organizations if you want. I choose to do not. And on the container setup, basically a container is a virtual environment where you can basically manage your scripts, your marketing scripts, your analytics scripts. So here, for instance, let's take, for instance, that I have a website, which is ttdlab.com. And you will select your target platform. So if your digital solution is a website, you will select web. And if you have mobile applications, for instance, you can select iOS or Android, for instance. I will not explain what are the other options, but for this tutorial, I will stick to my website. So you selected your target platform, then you just need to click on create, and you will be asked to accept the data processing terms. You check this box and you click on yes. And basically that's it. You just created your Google Tag Manager account. Then you will be asked to inject scripts on your solution in order to initiate Google Tag Manager on your website. I will make a video about how you can implement Google Tag Manager, how you can implement these two scripts into a website. So that's it basically. And another thing, there is a rule that I want you to understand. Basically, when you are asked to create a container, you must understand that a container must be attached to a single digital solution. So for instance, if you have multiple websites, the best practice is to have a single container attached to each of your solutions. So that's it for this quick tutorial. If you are interested about Google Tag Manager topics or about analytics tracking in general, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and also hit the bell for upcoming videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.